Hello everyone. Our factory has been engaged in abrasive business for 24 years. Today I will show you factory. Let's go. Established in 2001, our factory covers an area of 20,000 square meters. We have more than 150 employees. The factory is located in Changzhou, Jiangsu, near Shanghai Port. Our products have obtained German MPA certification, EUCE certification and BISI certification. We have obtained more than 20 patents for our products. Our factory is mainly engaged in cutting wheel and grinding wheel ranging from 2 inches to 16 inches. Sindom and Dome is our company's own brand. Our factory provides sample for free OEM customization and free trademark design. Our company's products are exported to the world. We cooperate with many top 500 corporations. We have 46-meter automatic tunnel furnaces and more than a dozen intelligent hardening furnaces. In China, Jiangsu, how about the factory that served the top 500 corporations? Next, I will show you workshop. We have a 24-hour constant temperature and humidity workshop. More than 40 automated production lines with a daily output of 600,000 pieces. Dome share with the world.